honestly, we should like try to stay up as late as we can. Just try to stay awake. And then you can sleep the rest of the day.
You should probably like flip it or something, especially the little one, because the little one cooks faster.
Our shells.
It's like
You need a mini spatula.
We need butter.
Yeah, super bad.
Yeah, I said cool.
And tape.
What's the tape for?
To hold the damn thing.
The small ones were cooked. You want the small one?
Sure.
Okay. I'll take the big one. I can't. Yeah, we need more tape. Oh, we need more tape like now. Does it get your seal of approval?
Yeah.
Look at
It's
that.
like actually good.
Steam coming from
It's
it.
not that bad.
There's like steam. Look at that. This is mom's home cooked meal.
New cooking video. DIY how to make your own cooked mushrooms.
Alright, guys.
No frying pan.
So this is a
Needed.
college hack. So if you live in college and you buy a can of mushrooms, this is how you cook it. You just tape the can lid to a post, and you just kind of just lightly burn it for what, 2 minutes? Just like mom's cooking. Just like mom's cooking. Look at it. There's like debris just like stuck on there. We might have to wash this tomorrow. Where's the butter? Oh, there's the butter. Oh, that's perfect. We need a container.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, did we get all the supplies we need?
I think.
Alright, so we got bowl, butter, knife, and tape. Alright, I think we're ready for some gourmet cooking. Is it hot? Oh no, it's cold. It's like really cold. It's just another one, just to make sure.
Yeah.
Look at that. Already melting. How thin is this metal?
Like I am wearing like a candle or something.
I know, because my thumb is like killing me. Oh, it's gonna pop. It's gonna pop everywhere. It's gonna
a little bit.
It's gonna be a slow cook. Wait, dude,
We need a bigger base.
that's gonna be like right on it. I think that'll work. Yeah. It's like, what are we doing?
I don't know. Now it's gonna smell nice also. Yeah, and there won't be gasoline. Not sure if a candle would be better, but yeah, that steam. Ooh. It actually smells like mushrooms.
It's really good.
That's your little.
Just gonna kind of sift it around a little bit.
Keep it in the middle. Lemon.
Look at that. Alright, I'll help you. Let me do it. I'll do it. Ooh, that's nice.
Right there is nice browning. I think we should cook it longer. I mean, like when my mom cooks mushrooms, it's like much longer. Kinda.
The bottle's like technically like balancing on the yo-yo. I feel like we're in like a primitive video.
Yeah. You know what I think about this?
This is our first crazy thing we did 2020. Yeah.
Oh, you're right.
To a new year.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that steamy goodness. Ooh.
Like, it's actually fucking burnt. Not burnt, but like roasted. I don't know what you call it.
Cooked.
But it's pretty hot.
Yeah, it's like it just came out of the oven. Or off the stove, or however you cook mushrooms. What, is it good? Here's to another year.
Mine was juicy.
Mmm.
I can really taste the chemicals. See the behind the scene how we cook mushrooms. Look at that one, guys. That's gonna be a good one.
Yeah.
Yeah, but like shine over.
Like it like there's heat coming from it like an actual oven. Crazy.
Yeah.
It's like, what is that?
Or like maybe there's like a coating. Yeah,
So this is me.
that was good.
Was it? Okay. So this is me. He got excited. He something.
Check my
So
candy cane.
this is the good. Hold on. So this is the really good one. And this is just a video of me eating it, because you haven't seen me eating it yet. So it's hot. Oh, that's good. It's real good. But yeah, is that our last meal of the night, or do you want to do some more?
Yeah. Oh no, more.
More?
Yeah. Are you thinking last meal?
Well, not really, but we've buttered it up good. We've buttered up the pan.